As a product manager, understanding what your team is working on and when is essential for keeping projects on track. In this short guide, we'll walk you through the ways to check user activity in Jira. Let's start with Jira's built-in History tab. Every Jira work item has an activity section. Click on the History tab to view a timeline of all changes made to the work item, including field updates, assignee changes, status transitions, and more. This is a simple yet effective way to track who did what and when, specifically on a particular work item. For more advanced tracking across multiple work items, try Issue History for Jira, Work Item History app. It provides a unified view of user activity across your entire Jira project. For example, as a project manager, you need to oversee the progress of work across different departments. You need to know who updated what, when, and how. Let's examine how you can cope with this task with the help of Issue History app. At first, use a JQL query to filter work items across multiple projects. This example demonstrates how to track changes in 3 active projects: marketing, sales, and support. You can combine this with filters for updates by or date ranges, depending on your needs. Issue History app will display all the work items according to your filters. You will see who changed what and when. Additionally, you can customize columns, add or remove fields such as status, updated, assignee, time spent. If you need to check the status of work items, you can also use a filter to view and organize tasks based on their state quickly. It's ideal for tracking day-to-day team activity and sprint progress. You can create a pre-saved view as a reusable template that you can open, for example, on a monthly basis. It's a great way to quickly monitor key team activity without starting from scratch each time. Try Issue History for Jira app now and simplify how you monitor your team's activity.